They say.
Hey everyone, it's me, Yasmin Bateman, and I noticed you guys were asking me like a lot how I make my iced coffee, and I kind of answered this in my Q&A video, but I guess I just didn't do it thoroughly. I decided why not make a whole video on it because I love coffee, you love coffee, we all love coffee, and I'm gonna show you guys my amazing recipe. Also, it's like 10 o'clock right now and I feel like I'm a miserable bitch right now because I haven't had any caffeine. Okay. So there's two ways that I make my coffee depending on if I have time or if I don't have time. And today is Sunday, so I do have some time. So I'm gonna make myself a good old iced latte and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And it's my favorite thing in the entire world. It's just...
Into your eyes.
Okay, this is the coffee machine that I use to make my iced lattes. It is a Breville. It is amazing. This is the real deal, guys. This is a serious latte maker right here. The first step is, please excuse this angle, my looks, everything about this video. Please just excuse it all because it's a Sunday morning and I don't have time. I just want to be comfy, you know. First thing I do is make a shot of espresso. I do a double shot because I need that double shot of caffeine, okay? You know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do first. So you take this little thingy and I push it up on here and it starts grinding the beans. After that, I take it upon this little decompressor thing and I just press in there like so. Do, 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 do. There we go. So I'm gonna add a little bit more so that it's really strong. It's just right. Obviously you don't have to have this coffee machine, but if you have any type of like espresso machine, this works for everyone, right? So I put it in this thing and I lock it and I press the double shot. And we wait. Oh shit. I forgot to put a cup underneath it. I was about to waste all my espresso. Look at it go.
And it and it and it and it and it
Nice layers of espresso, and since it's still pretty warm right now and I don't want my ice to melt, I put it in the fridge for about like 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that really quickly. I'm just gonna set her in here for about 5 minutes, come back and get her, and then we'll start. So the espresso is done cooling up. I just use like my little Georgia Starbucks cup because I'm a Georgia gal. Put some ice in it, obviously. Filled up with ice. Take my espresso and I just add her in. Yes, I love espresso foam. I take my Silk almond milk. This is like the best almond milk, you guys. It's a mix of almond milk and coconut milk. It has like a really good flavor and it tastes so good in iced lattes. Like I can't even explain to you. Like
and it and it and it
just mix her up. Does anyone else just love the sound of like ice and coffee, like the sound of the ice mixing? Oh, I love that sound. I really hope you guys make this iced latte and enjoy it. And if you do, please leave your experience in the comments below so that I can just read it and be like, wow, I changed people's lives. You know, like I always wanted to make an impact on the world in some way, and it has to be with iced lattes, then you know, at least I did something. I'm gonna go drink this coffee and I'll be back probably in like 5 minutes to make my second coffee and I'll show you guys how I do it.
and it and it and it and it and it
I make a pot of coffee from this Breville machine just so it's just regular coffee, and then I just fill up a big glass of the whole pot of coffee, leave it in the fridge overnight, and then the next day it's cold and ready. And then I get my sweet cream creamer. So good. And you can like change up the creamers however you like it, and then perfect iced coffee every morning. Like, all right guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and head off to school now. You guys already know this video is gonna save you guys so much money, so much time, so much gas money. Like, no more like Starbucks runs in the morning because I just saved y'all's lives. Like, you're welcome. You know, glad I could help. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to stick around a little bit more often, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.